Naina Hambai, Sarikaham, Dini Choilam, Bidan Sobai, Loajak, Herma Community Holo, Kaisa Kopsa Pandakaya, Buskangni, Tristarik, Mongolbar, Sutarmura, Playground, Sutarmura Playground, Kaisa, Choilam Candoni, Mass Gathering, Haika Jonosova, Al Jonosova, Chino Choilamni, Joto leaders, Joto warriors, Bubagrano. Haikaba tipara mothano je hamjagi tongnai adino jotono Sutarmura faibedi adino sini jonosabha nai birat jonosabha around 10,000 portoi sel jonosabha kaine boni bagai sem press meeting bisingo jara tinio meeting faimanjaya haikaba jara warriors bubagarni supporters you must be come and join mass gathering on Monday 29 November adino 5 manjagan bagai jotoni thani sing koimung ya pharo event ajagao TWF YTF, TEF, TISF, Tipramotha, all the leaders, warriors, Adino by Jota Faimanjagan Magai, by Muyafaro, Tinora Faimanjaga, block president of leaders of Tongo,